Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel, At Home with Morgan. Today we are doing a messy house clean with me. You guys, my house is such a disaster all the time, even though I'm constantly cleaning. Hashtag mom life, for real. As soon as I am cleaning something up, I turn around and there is another mess. So if you need all of the cleaning and straightening up motivation in today's video, then just stay tuned because I've got you covered. All right, you guys, so like I said, my house is always a disaster. Even though I'm constantly cleaning, I just feel like this is standard mom life. Honestly, I had been working all day, so this is more of like a work from home, like messy house cleaning routine, because when I was working, the kids were destroying the house. So I turned around and saw that the kids had spilled an entire bag of shredded cheese and an entire container of blueberries. I don't know how this happens within seconds, but I'm always cleaning up those little messes that you turn around for like 30 seconds and there's just an explosion of some sort somewhere in the house. So I'm going to let you guys enjoy the messy house cleaning motivation. If you can relate, leave it in the comments down below. I try to keep it raw and real and transparent here for you guys on my channel and give you real life cleaning motivation, all of the real life mom situations as well. This part of the video made me laugh. I had Kaya doing a little bit of screen time. We usually do screen time right before nap time. I find that it kind of calms them down. It gets them ready to go down for a nap, and Ryker for screen time, he will usually watch some kind of cartoon. We've been doing a lot of CoComelon lately, which I know is a favorite in a lot of households. I love that it teaches them signs because Ryker has learned sorry and thank you from CoComelon. So I'm sure a lot of you experience the same things with that CoComelon show, but I think that it is actually pretty like informative for the kids and I like it. So anyway, that's what is happening here. Ryker is watching CoComelon and Kaya's having a little bit of iPad time. The living room. You guys, my living room looks like this every other day. They bring their snacks. You can see there's like a Nutella to go in there that they snuck into the living room. I've said this before and I'll say it again. We usually don't like allow the snacks in the living room. They make it into the living room anyways. So I'm always cleaning up like crushed breadsticks and crushed Cheez-Its and just all of the things in the carpet. It's so gross. This is what it looks like after I organize after like a day and a half. Now, usually what I will do when I'm not filming this messy clean with me is I will have Kaya help me. So Kaya is really, really good about cleaning up her toys when I ask her to. A lot of this is Ryker because Kaya goes to preschool during the day and it's just me and Ryker for the most part. So we've been working on cleanup and we've been singing the cleanup song. So yes, this is real life, but also know that I do make my kids clean as well because I want them to know that cleaning is a very, very important step of taking out your toys. And also, this is going to be a tool that will develop as they get older. So giving your kids chores, etc., nothing like too intense, but we do have a set of chores for Kaya to do every single day. And if she gets them, she gets to put a quarter into her piggy bank. Obviously, as she gets older, the allowance will get bigger as she does more chores. So anyways, just wanted to include that little tidbit of information that yes, I do make my kids clean. Just usually during these cleaning videos, I will take care of it just so that I can focus in on the cleaning instead of having to watch the kids and help the kids and clean and film all at the same time. So this is a part of my house that I really don't share a whole ton because we're not in there a whole ton. This is our guest bedroom in the basement. You guys have seen our basement gym slash playroom setup in the process, and this is the guest room that's right off to the side of the gym basement slash playroom. Now we have somebody coming over to house sit for the next week, so I wanted to make sure that they had a fresh set of sheets on the bed. Even if they've been down there for like a month or two and haven't been slept in, I just like to freshen them up and run them through the wash and the dryer just so that they're nice and fresh smelling. I love clean laundry scents. My go-tos lately have been the Lavender Calm and then the April Fresh. I've been rotating through those for the past few months, and actually recently I combined them, and that is a whole new level of yummy scent. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. I was kind of taking a risk by mixing them, but seriously, you guys, mix your fabric softeners because they smell so good. And then you can get like so many different kinds of scents, etc. So I'm just straightening up this room. Honestly, the only like animal slash child that goes into this room is Kaya and the cat. They like to hang out in that bedroom. Kaya will just like pet her kitty, and the cat likes to sit on that window ledge down there and watch all of the birds. So anyways, I've got animals running around me, kids running around me. This is a standard day in my house. Just all of the fur babies and human babies running in circles. But that is going to wrap it up from me in today's video. I hope you enjoyed this quick, messy house clean with me, a work from home mom messy house clean with me, because this is what my house looks like after a day or two of working from home, getting to emails and in conference calls and editing videos and getting back to customers for M&M Rustics, etc. I have just a disaster of a house after a couple of days. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new here, I'd love if you considered subscribing. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in a couple of days for another really fun, motivating cleaning video, okay? Bye, you guys.